Hi, my name is Dean Smith, and I am with our IFC group, Industrial Field Connectivity, and I'd like to talk to you today about our through panel products and just do a quick introduction to what those are. So let's take a look. We have several different types of through panel products. We've got our HEAVYCON connectors, which are a disconnect solution, allows you to plug in and out of our panel. So you have that guy there, we can plug that in and out. We have different inserts available for that, and different types of housings and such that go along with that series. We also have our CES, or cable entry system, and that is for pre-terminated cables. So we can bring in these slotted seals to wrap around the cable and go in behind the connector head so we can feed the connector head into the cabinet. And then we have our Multigate, which is exclusively for non-terminated cables. These are different level cones that can be clipped off and push your wire through and terminate that once the cable's inside the cabinet. And then we have our HEAVYPORT programming ports. These are a programming port that resides on the outside of the cabinet, and you'll have generally some kind of data connection, USB, RJ45, what have you. Possibly power for a laptop or something of that nature. And these guys here will be out there so you do not have to open the cabinet to access the internal workings of the cabinet, download logs, things like that. And then as some of our simplest products, we have our cable glands, and we have those in different varieties here. We have, plastic cable glands, metal ones, EMC ready or not for terminating shielding. And we have several different kinds with string relief glands. And these guys come in a whole bunch of different varieties, but this is how you're typically going to get through the cabinet one of these ways. Through cable glands, you might be doing communications, just feeding your cables in, maybe running connectorized cables in, or setting up a full disconnect with our HEAVYCON connectors. And so that's a quick look at what we do for through panel connections. And as you can see, we've got over 3 trillion ways to get that done.